All right, you know how in Elf he does the gross breakfast with the spaghetti and the M&Ms and Pop-Tarts and stuff? We're gonna do that, but today we're gonna use spaghetti pancakes.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in...
Ho, ho, ho! And then it cuts. It's December, so that means we get to do Christmas stuff now, right, Mike? Mike's a big fan. He's a big fan of Christmas. So there's this trend going around TikTok where it's spaghetti pancakes, and they take the pancake mix, put it in a little bottle, squirt it on in a little pancake fashion, in a little spaghetti fashion, I mean, and then they cook it up, put it on in a bowl, and then put some syrup on it. We're gonna try that, but we're gonna do it a little Elf style. We're gonna add in all the stuff that Elf does in the movie Elf with this scene here, or you can cover the whole screen with it if you want. Lucas, I don't know, it's your decision, you're the editor. When it comes to pancakes, I don't normally measure things, I just kind of put it in until I think it looks good. So we're just gonna see how it goes. So we're just gonna throw in a little bit of pancake mix right in here, just with some crusties. We got that, and then we're just gonna mix in some water. So we're gonna need this one thin, a little thin batter, because we were gonna make it we're gonna have it be squirted out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour some water in here. Not everything all at once, not everything everywhere all at once, but I'm just gonna do this. And the key to pancake batter is you do not want to over mix. So we're just gonna keep pouring. We're gonna make it thin. Because we want it to be able to come out of the squirt bottle easily. So we're getting there. Me, being the wise thinker that I am, got a funnel. So I'm a smart guy. Whoa, holy crap! And, okay, okay. Is it getting everywhere? I can't see.
No, you're good.
Oh, it is going so slowly. We're gonna be here for 12 hours. And we're just gonna wait.
On the sixth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me.
We have our batter done. We're going to go turn on our grill. We're gonna go turn it on and then crank it down to low and let it warm up a little bit. Sound good, Mike? We good? Our griddle's nice and warm, so I'm just gonna take some butter and kind of just go down on the surface really quickly. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil so it doesn't burn as easy. So we're just gonna go along and do just a nice little line, whoop, all the way across. Huh? Should we do a little zigzag? There's too many gloops in here, Mike. Mike. It's too, so with a regular pancake batter, you want more gloops. You want it to be a little bit thicker so that it will rise and puff up. But with spaghetti pancakes, it looks like you kind of want them to stick together now. So when you can mix them up, make sure there's no gloops. So let's try that. Let's make a Christmas tree first though. How about that?
On the ninth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 9.
All right, we live and we learn, Mike. We live and we learn. So we're not making normal pancakes here. That's what I need to remember. So lumps normally are a pretty good thing in pancake batter. This here, no lumps, we learn. So we're gonna do it again. Mike just said we're gonna make it just thicker than water, which I agree with. And then we're gonna whisk. I normally don't like whisking my pancake batter, but we want no lumps. This should work, Mike. We're just gonna pour this in here, going in as fast as it's coming out. So let's try it. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna do a nice thin line. Okay. Oh, you see that? That is, oh, Mike, we did it. See? That's it. Okay, you ready for a flip?
Let's do it.
Whoa. Oh, look at that. That's pretty good. All right, whoop, whoop. Okay, here we go. So that's our first little batch.
The 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 pipers piping.
All right, we got our spaghetti done, our paschetti. And now is the fun part where we get to give ourselves diabetes through all the sugar that we put on it. We're gonna watch and see exactly what he does. Okay, so he goes in there, he pours on M&Ms, marshmallows, chocolate syrup, more M&Ms. All right, then mixes it up. I'm sure he put syrup on there at some point. And then he goes back for the Pop-Tarts. Okay. All right, we got it. M&M's. I feel like a 4-year-old kid. Like, what do you want for breakfast? Wow. Just right on top. You can't forget the Pop-Tarts. To be extra real, he mixes it up with his hands. If you want to see more stuff, look at this video right here. It's when we smoked the pumpkin pie. Turned out pretty good. And until next time, peace out.